Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today's video I am going to be doing a true live unboxing. I don't think I have done one of these in well over a year, possibly longer on my channel. I open things when I get them, and this actually just came in the mail, so I'm going to open it with you. I have not seen this, so we are going to be seeing it together for the first time. I've seen the bag, not the color, so I will explain that. Let's get into the eye candy. But first, if you are new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning back, welcome back. If you haven't done so already and you like these kind of videos, love it if you just take a moment and hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification so you don't miss a video. So it's packaged all beautifully. I don't think I can hold this. This bag is not that big. This is a very big box. It's kind of deceiving here. She did say she put a bunch of bubble wrap around it. Okay, it's off. Yes, there's a bunch of bubble wrap. So it shipped very securely. So here is my receipt, and here is the bag. Let's get this out of the way here. So I kind of want to do a little two-part video with you. This is just, I'm going to do a straight up unboxing, show you the bag. I will do a video later doing mod shots, what fits, all of that stuff. But I wanted to kind of talk to you. I've been meaning to do a video about price increases and the pressure we feel to buy because of them. And this is the perfect video to tie that into, because I found out on Sunday this was going to go up, and I bought it, and that's why I had it shipped to me instead of going into Nashville to pick it up. So let's see. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. It is the Louis Vuitton, the one-handle twist Louis Vuitton, not Louis Vuitton, and the color is caramel. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have not seen this in person. I was trying this on a couple of weeks ago in the color, I'm not quite sure how to say it, greige, and a very, very pretty color. They had this color in the Pont Neuf, I think that's how you say it. There's so many new bags there. And I loved the color. I did not like the leather on that bag. It's super, super, super smooth, and it's gonna scratch. So this is in their Tyrolean leather, which is the same as my Capucines. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love the color. And there's a reason I did all of this. Show you the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh wow. Yeah, I have not seen this in person in this color. It just came out. This color was not there when I went in. I actually requested the greige color to be brought in so I could check it out, and I liked it, but there was just something, I don't know, there was something just that was holding me back on it. So it comes with the shoulder strap, or it's also crossbody, and you just do that by unsnapping right here, and then you can pull it through on which end is that? Oh, it's snapped on that end. You gotta unsnap both ends, but then you pull it through and you get like this nice long crossbody or shoulder bag, which I thought was really nice, especially with that lighter color, because I was a little bit worried about color transfer on that one. And the inside is all leather lined. You've got a slit compartment here, and you have your little twist mirror that goes in this little front compartment here, and it is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then on the front here, something is beeping at me. You've got a slit compartment here, and then there is also a zippered compartment right here in the front of that. But yeah, it's all totally leather lined. So let's see what the tickets here are. So it is Twist PM OH TAU, so Tyrolean and Caramel, and the item number is M57897. That probably will be hard to see. So yeah, that's not coming in at all. There we go. Leave it up for a second in case you want to write that down, or just go on their website and type in twist one handle, which is what I did on Sunday. So this went up $200 from Sunday to Monday. All of the twist line and the capucines line had a pretty significant price increase. And I had been looking at this bag, like I said. I went in twice to try it on in the other color, and something just kept holding me back. So I found out about the price increase, and I looked online and saw this color. So I texted my sales associate and I asked if they had it in the store. They had a brand new one in the back. It still has the plastic on the twist turn lock. And so she went in the back, sent me a video, and she said she would put it on hold for me. I'm like, no, I want to buy it. And I was planning on going in the store and picking it up, but she shipped it yesterday and it's here today before I had a chance to go pick it up. So that worked out very well anyways. But the video that I was been planning on making for a long time, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Fendi, Bulgari, Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, all sorts of these companies have been having price increase after price increase after price increase. This was released in the fall, and this is its first price increase, but it's pretty short to have a price increase. So I was debating. I knew I really liked this bag, and when I saw this color, yeah, this color is beautiful. When I saw this color, I was like, I have to have it. The only thing I don't like, no feet, but the twists don't have feet. I wish it did have feet. That would be nice, but other than that, it's a great bag. But I did jump to purchase, and I might have taken a little bit longer while. I would have had her hold it. I would have gone in and seen the color in person instead of having it shipped to me. So I am definitely guilty of being pushed to purchase. When Dior had their price increase, I knew there was nothing I wanted from Dior, but my sales associate texted me and let me know it was like going to be a really significant price increase. And I was on their website for who knows how long, scrolling through and looking, and I'm like, is there something I want? And yes, I'm very bad about that. I don't feel like we should feel the pressure to purchase something, but if you were already seriously contemplating it, I mean, I have 30 days to decide. I mean, I'm gonna keep it, but you know what I'm saying? It's like I can get it home and look at it and see what I think about it, but if I decide I want it on Monday, then I'm paying extra money. So I kind of think if something you really, really want has been on your wish list, or you're really thinking about goes up, or you know it's gonna go up, you might as well take advantage and save the money. But like with me and the Dior, I didn't end up purchasing anything, but I knew I shouldn't have been on there looking anyways because there was nothing on my wish list. So what are your thoughts about the price increases? Do you end up buying things that are on your wish list? Do you end up buying things that you would not have purchased otherwise? Like, how do you feel about that? Let's get back into the features of the bag here. I didn't do a very good job showing you. So at the top is where the handle attaches, and it has LV on both of the rivets there, or not rivets, I don't know what those are called. Maybe they're rivets, I don't know. And then you've just got the gold here, and let's see if there's anything written on those. Nope, those are actually just plain, but it has the dark black glazing that goes around it. Very easy to get in and out of, and I love that it is all leather lined. So the regular twist, like the one I have in the black, the one that has the chain handle, that one is microfiber lined, and that one went up to, I think it's $4,150. I will write it down below if I am wrong, but when you look at that one versus an all leather bag that was $50 more, I think it's not bad. And especially compared to a lot of these other brands, what their prices have just gone through the roof. Chanel has a really beautiful caramel colored bag out this year, but don't hate me for this. I'm a little tired of the classic flap. I have a lot of them and I love the ones I have, but I wanted something different. And the price point of this also versus the Chanel's, it's a huge, huge difference. A Chanel medium flap now is, isn't it $6,900? I will write it down below again if I am wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure it is because I think the jumbo is $7,400. So $4,200 is not by any means inexpensive, but yeah, it's so beautiful. I'll show you the leather again. It's just that nice pebbled Tyrolean leather, and it is not at all the same color as my Hermes gold, which I should have brought in here, but I didn't. But I will show that color to you side by side, either on Instagram or in a future video when I show what fits and mod shots. And I am going to insert some pictures, which you will have already seen, of the other color on me. I think it's a really good length crossbody and shoulder. So thank you for letting me share with you. It's been a long time since I have done a true live unboxing. The YSL bag, if you watched that video, that did go back. It's just gorgeous bag, but it's not my style. I am really into structure, and yeah, I think it's so beautiful, but not my style. So this is much more up my alley. I hope you have a great day today. Take care. Bye-bye.